What is up, hooligans? It's Jennifer. Welcome back to another DIY video where I am challenging myself to crochet for the first time. I also want to give a huge thank you to Lenovo Yoga for sponsoring this video. Crochet has been really trendy lately. I've seen crochet clothes, accessories, hats, which I guess are accessories. But today I wanted to try to crochet myself a sweater vest. Have I ever crocheted before? No. I think I just mentioned that in the previous sentence. And not only that, but I want to challenge myself to crochet it in 2 days, just because, like, what's the point of doing anything if you don't suffer a little, you know? Mainly the reason I want to do this is because I saw Emma Chamberlain wearing a sweater vest once, and now I can't think of wearing anything else. So I have this beautiful laptop with me right here, and I'm going to be using this throughout the video to research about crocheting, designs. It's gonna be a really exciting but maybe painful time. Let's get started. All right, step one is research that I'm doing on my beautiful Lenovo Yoga 7i. It's a really cool 2-in-1 device. It's a laptop, and then also you can flip it into a tablet with the 360 hinge. So it's super portable, and it's also really comfortable in your hands with the rounded edges. Oh, this is a super cool thing that they put in. They have this camera privacy shutter thing. You can kind of flip this switch and it covers the camera so that when you don't want to use the camera, it's like for sure covered, and like no one will be peeping on your crocheting before you're finished. You know what I mean? People are always trying to peep on my crocheting before I'm finished. It also has a really crisp FHD display. It also performs really well because it has an 11th generation Intel core, so it can handle photo editing, video editing. Oh, hello? I gotta charge it. Now that we know a little bit more about our research device, let's research about some crochet. First of all, I have to figure out like what it is. Like, I know what it is. Well, I think I need to like watch some videos first. How to crochet for beginners. It's been like half an hour later and I've watched a couple of videos on it. I feel like it doesn't look that hard. Honestly, I'm really excited because like mindless tasks where you just like repeat the same thing over and over again, it's like my favorite. I think it's so therapeutic. Let's look at some design inspo. I feel like logically I should start with something kind of easy, like just one color throughout. But knowing me, I always want to like challenge myself and like make myself suffer for some reason. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go for some sort of color blocking with a bunch of different like squares throughout the vest. I'm gonna drop a design kind of, but like mostly just play with colors that I want to get and see what like kind of fits together, you know? Okay, so I've been really into like matcha greens lately, so maybe I'll go for, that's pretty cute. Yeah, vibe. And then maybe like a darker green. Cool. That's kind of cute, but like maybe I want like a dark pink. Mauve. Wait a damn minute. That's kind of cute. And then white. Okay, why did I think that was gonna show up? And then black. What do we think? I think I'm gonna just do like some rough design. I really like don't know what I'm doing, but just, this is like a rough idea. Do we like, this is art. Don't tell me that's not art. And then maybe just like a giant pink thing. Wait, that's kind of cute. Okay, it's not cute, but it's kind of cute. You know what I mean? Like, it's kind of cute. Okay, like, you know what? It's a prototype. Okay, what if I do like something like this? Okay, you know what? This is the before and we'll see the after and compare what it actually looks like. Okay, so I'm really happy with the color palette. The design, we'll work on it. Like, I am not a designer, okay? For now, I'm going to order the crochet hooks and the yarns. I'll see you in a couple days when I have my supplies and we're ready to start crocheting. Okay. Hi guys, it is a couple days later and I now have all of my supplies. These are the yarns that I got. I think the colors that I got matched pretty well. I think they're so pretty. I also got the crochet hooks. Over the past couple days, I've just been learning how to crochet. I've been watching a bunch of tutorials and just practicing. It's like honestly, it's like kind of harder than I thought. I've been also looking up sweater vest tutorials on YouTube, so I'm just gonna like kind of make my own based on a mixture of things that I've seen. The original designer of that Emma Chamberlain one, her name is Erica Maish, so talented. Let's hope that by the end I have something I can actually wear. First of all, I have to start with the ribbing. I am kind of nervous, to be honest, and I don't know what I'm doing. I guess I just start. I actually don't really know what size hook I'm supposed to use. Okay, I'll do 5. I don't remember how to start this thing. Yeah. I know what I'm doing, kind of. I'm chaining. Okay, I'm chaining. How much do I chain? Okay, is that 1 chain or is that 2 chains? 2 chains. I've been here for like an hour at this point. I've restarted like 3 times. I thought it was gonna be easier than this. Here's what I have after an hour. So right now what I'm doing is, I believe they are single crochets back loop only, and I'm doing 25 chains. I really sounded like I knew what I was doing right there. Hello everyone, it is now 4:26 a.m. Guess how much I've done so far? Wow, it's a shirt! But I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty good. It just like isn't very big. Anyway, I think I just need to sleep and do it tomorrow, so I will see you later. Hi guys, it is the next day and I've been crocheting for another couple hours and this is what I have so far. Is my waist this big? Can I just stop here? Can I just be... Okay, so I've been doing back loop stitches and this makes it stretchy. Cool. I'm gonna make it long enough to fit around my entire torso, obviously. The kit of crochet hooks that I got also came with these markers. So at the beginning I was putting these on the ends of my stitches because it gets kind of confusing as a beginner. I've been taking them off because I can actually like see where the stitches are now. Overall, I think it looks pretty good so far, so I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, I have just finished my crochet ribbing for the bottom piece. Oh, that looks pretty good. It like stretches, and if I... Looks like it's got a good bit of stretch. I'm gonna like pin these 2 sides together to see if I can like fit it over my head, because that is how you put on a shirt. So I've heard, I'm not really sure. I have this pinned together. Don't rip, don't rip. Please. Perfect! I'm so excited right now. I think this is actually the easiest part of the shirt, which is kind of sad. Not gonna lie, these colors on here are kind of quirky and cute. Should I leave them on and like not sew it? Should I just have a top that's like this and not have to crochet anything else? No, let's continue. Now's the part that I actually have to do more research because I don't know what to do next. Hello everyone, it is the next day. This is what we have so far. I was just gonna stitch up with the same amount of stitches across this way, but then I realized that like my body is not like a brick. We've got minimal curves, but we have some curves, you know? I think I need to start increasing the stitches because it like might not fit. Yeah, it's like really tight. Wait, actually, well, I can't tell. No, it's like kind of tight. I'm gonna add 2 extra stitches per square and hope that that works out. But in the meantime, while crocheting, it's kind of nice because I've just been like watching YouTube videos and like binging shows. Currently, I'm obsessed with Superstore. I started it like a week ago and I'm on season 5. But yeah, I'm just watching everything on this laptop. It has a 14-inch FHD display. It also has front-facing Dolby Atmos speakers, so the sound is also really nice. It has this really cool rapid charge where you charge for 30 minutes and it goes to 80% battery. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue crocheting watching my videos and shows and trying not to cry. Hello! It is a couple hours later! Ta-da! Oh my god, it looks like Steve from Blue's Clues. Kind of a vibe though. Anyway, I did 8 rows of double crochets. Now we are reaching to the like armpit area slash the V of the vest. I have to like leave a space here for the armhole and then leave a space in the center for, wait, yeah. I think I made a couple mistakes on this side. You can see like the opposite color showing through. So this is gonna be the inside. What do I do now? Let me visualize this. So I'm gonna start 4 stitches in to leave room for the armhole ribbing. And I hope that is like, okay. Like, is that okay? Am I okay? Not really. So I'm gonna switch to a pink color. How pretty! Gonna take this. Okay, I think I'm gonna do the back first. Well, oh dude, I am struggling a lot right now. You know what, I'm just gonna go 4 from here and hope it works out. Hi guys. It's currently 8:30 a.m. and I haven't slept yet. I would like to be laying in a nice grass field with a giant blanket and mattress. Okay, so I have finished the base of the shirt. How exciting. I don't know how to describe to you like how I did it. I just like did it and I'm not really sure if it fits, but I am determined to finish it. Should I go sleep? Yes. The last step to do is all of the ribbing for the neckline and the armholes. Hi queens! I finally took a nap for like 2 hours. I've been crocheting for probably like 48 hours in total. Maybe more, probably 60, I don't know. Do I have anything better to do with my life though? No. I finished 2 seasons of Superstore, 1 season of New Girl, Clueless, Legally Blonde. My brain like is like on Mars right now. But all I know right now is I'm working on the ribbing for the front portion of the shirt and it's looking pretty damn good. I don't care if it actually looks bad. Everybody tell me that it looks good because I am going to be falling apart if somebody says it looks bad. My technique is I kind of just make it work. At the end, I kind of just like pull a loop through one of the holes on the side of the shirt to like attach it. Because I realized that like when you make clothing yourself, you don't really have to follow any rules as long as it looks good and fits to you at the end. At least that's what I'm telling myself. Actually, you know what? I need a change of scenery. 3 days, 8 hours of sleep, and many, many tears later. Ta-da! Tell me it's beautiful or else I will cry. Here's the final product. So I finished crocheting on the armholes. They are actually not even at all, as you can see. But you know what? I really don't care at this point, and I feel like it gives the character. It is my first crochet project, so you know what, I'll give it a pass. I am finally finished, pulled another all-nighter. I have never felt so dead in my entire life, yet so alive because of this sweater vest. I think it turned out pretty cool. It's like not exactly the best fit. I think I should have gone wider with the shoulders, but you know what? Positive vibes. If anybody would like to buy this shirt, you can sell me your liver because it's priceless. Well, I guess I just put a price on it. Here it is. Here's the back side. I feel like the back side honestly looks better than the front side. What did we learn? Crocheting is very hard. Remember at the beginning when I was like, oh my god, I'm so excited to like, I think it's gonna be so therapeutic and like fun. Well, lies. I think that if I didn't put myself under this like time restraint, it would be very therapeutic. I will definitely be crocheting again, and I can't wait to sleep for 48 hours straight. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me in my sweater vest. Yeah, let me know what other kinds of DIYs I should try, and I'll see you on the flip side. Bye!